Hi, my name is Jared Simpson here with MarineMax in Quincy, Massachusetts. And today we're aboard a 2018 Boston 420 Outrage. This is a recent MarineMax trade-in that we just acquired. Very low hours, just under 130. Boat still has factory warranties. Let's take a look. Boat's powered with quad 350 Mercury VERADO power, joystick piloting, which also incorporates skyhook and an autopilot. The boat has a gyro stabilizer, which is a big option on this boat, coupled with a diesel generator. Back here we have the summer kitchen package, 2 refrigerators, storage in between, cockpit grill. This boat also has a cockpit table option. It has a polycarbonate enclosure, a rear sunshade that comes right out of the hardtop here. This boat has 3 Raymarine G165 screens. All your digital switching for all your systems in the boat can be operated from these screens as well. Automatic trim tabs. Down below we have a nice V-berth with a high-low table that converts into a bed. Plenty of headroom. The one unique thing about a 420 Outrage is that the cabin is full beam. So these hull side windows, you're actually looking out at the water. Large head compartment with a rain shower. If you're in the market for a like new 420, please give us a call. My number is 781-727-0629, and this boat's actually open for trade-ins as well.